Hi everyone, I want to show you this amazing clothes rack, how to put it together. It's super easy, how to adjust it, and then what you can do with it. So this is super heavy duty. The first thing you're going to do is you just put these 4 poles together. I know I'm going quickly here, but I didn't want to bore you. This took me about 20 minutes from start to finish. So you put all the poles together, and then I'm going to show you in a minute. You have these little clips that go on the pole that hold the shelf or the accessories in place. You can see that I'm putting them on now. They look like little cylinders that you put around. There they are up close. So you're going to attach those, and then after you attach them, you just put the shelves on and they stay in place. But if you change your mind, no worries. You can just change where you put the clips. They clip around the pole, and then you attach the shelf or the hooks. For the rod, this is so easy to do. You just put each of the hooks on each side, and then you're going to put the rod in the middle and screw it on. The directions are really straightforward. So while I'm doing that, let me just tell you a little bit more about it. This is constructed with carbon steel materials, and there are no pieces that are sharp on here at all. So when you hang your clothes on here, it is going to be perfect and everything is going to be fine. So it's really, really durable, and it has a painted surface to make it look really nice and durable. It can hold a lot. So it can hold 40 to 60 t-shirts, 20 to 30 pairs of pants, 4 to 8 bags, and 4 to 8 hats. And so it's really like an extra closet. It comes with both wheels and with feet. I chose to use the feet because I'm just going to have it by the front door. So it makes it really easy to move if you use the wheels. Overall dimensions of the clothes rack are 23 long, 13 wide, and 74 high. And it holds up to 400 pounds of stuff. That's pretty amazing. It also comes with this really nice drawer at the bottom. Super easy to put together. You just open it up and it's like a cardboard drawer. You put the handle on, and then you're going to put the base piece in, and you are almost ready to go. This would be great for a laundry room, for a closet that doesn't really have any shelves in it. This would also be awesome for a bedroom, for an attic, for extra storage of your winter or summer clothes. You could also use this in your garage. This is so strong if you wanted to put boxes and things on it. And I'm going to use this by my front door. You can see here that I didn't like where the shelf was, so I'm just easily moving the little cylinders that you put on here and moving my shelf down. It is that easy. Here it is by my front door. I am loving it. This is a great place for kids to throw their backpacks, their jackets, all of their things when they come into the house. I'm loving this. I think you will too. I highly recommend. Definitely pick one up for you and maybe even a friend.